Today, we'll show how to disassemble the 71/16 22 ALM. Before starting, wear safety gear, disconnect the air hose, and remove all fasteners from the magazine. Also, check the magazine for any fasteners and remove them completely before beginning the work. To remove the magazine, loosen the 2 rear bolts on the guide out of the 4 total and the bolt at the front of the magazine locking lever on the body. Loosen the bolt at the very bottom of magazine B to separate magazine A and magazine B. To disassemble the pusher in magazine A, disconnect the spring hook from the pusher. For the guide part attached to magazine B, loosen the upper bolt to remove it. The magazine joint part on magazine B is not meant to be removed. Remove the spacer from the body. Next, remove the trigger by taking out the trigger pin. After the trigger is removed, loosen the 2 bolts securing the valve housing. Then loosen the remaining single bolt and take out the valve housing. If the housing doesn't come out easily due to the secondary valve, insert the trigger and pull slightly while removing it. This makes removal easier. Once the valve housing is out, remove the trigger rod and spring. After removing the valve housing, you can access the main internal valve components. Disassemble the valve parts in the correct order as shown. The inner valve can be removed using a U-shaped special tool. The inner valve can be removed using a U-shaped special tool. The innermost valve part is designed not to be removed under normal circumstances. If removal is absolutely necessary, use the special tool. The lower internal valve is also designed not to be removed. If needed, use an L-shaped wrench and push it out carefully through the inner opening. Let's remove the cap. Use an adjustable wrench and turn it counterclockwise. To remove the cylinder assembly, give a light tap downward on the body to release it. Take out the piston set from the cylinder and use a long tool to push the bumper out from the inside. Lift out the collar and stopper seal from the cap using an appropriate tool. Next, remove the end cap with an adjustable wrench. Now, remove the filter. Use a wrench to unscrew the cover, then take out the filter. Finally, remove the click lever assembly. Use a pin punch and pick tool to take out the O-ring. Remove the pin and then pull out the parts. This completes the disassembly of the G-Tool 71/16 22 ALM. Thank you for watching.